You have to check and look and see which politicians are really related. I'm not sure. But, you know, they all say they're related to somebody. They're all related to each other. They're all buddy-buddy. They're all violating the fucking laws. They're all trespassing on my property. They tried to claim that they were relatives of my family or something. They tried to claim that I was their child. I ain't never been their goddamn child. Royal Protocol tells you it is a birth certificate that cannot be forged. It is a specific document of DNA, birthmarks, beauty marks, and scars of my identity and who I am and who my parents are. It says no other child is ever allowed to be accepted, no matter what. From nowhere, anywhere, nowhere. High above, down below, nowhere, anywhere. Left, right, upside down, nowhere. I'm the only child of my mother and father. I'm the owner of the estates forever. No matter what a politician says, no matter what a person says to slander my intellect or my character. Now, why don't you check those SAT scores and those I-STEP scores and intellectual tests? I probably scored higher than any president in the history of the country. Maybe. And other things. In reference to government, trying to play tricks, trying to steal my identity, trying to steal my wealth. They were even using impersonators on government property where they had impersonators trying to steal my identity. Now, who the hell do they think they are trying to steal my identity? That's a violation of copyrights. They're not God. But some of these politicians, they think they're some type of God, thinking they're presto changeo. They turn you from who you are into some criminal record of somebody. That's illegal. They try to mess up your teeth. They try to mess up your face. Why? Because some politician says you won't kiss their ass? Well, in this country, there's term limits. In this country, people don't have to kiss a politician's ass. There's laws that say that. So why do politicians try to make people bend over backwards for them when they're breaking the fucking laws, trying to enslave people's lives, torturing and mutilating people's faces and teeth? Who the fuck do they think they are? They're obviously not a high-credentialed politician of status that would ever have that kind of status in this country. No, there isn't. There are games of mutilation, they're games of abuse, they're games of theft. They have no legal right, none whatsoever. But they think they do, don't they? They think they could steal from people and make up lies, don't they? But see, that's a violation of ethics, violation of their oath of office. And what you guys do in government? You guys murder the people that contested your political party? Because your political party was violating laws of the first world country of American politics? Huh? This isn't German politics. Illegal families continuing their positions as governors and mayors and presidents? No. It even tells you in the laws of the American government that consecutive presidents being related is illegal. Reference to certain numbers of years. It's illegal for government to continue their illegal power, especially after they were out of office. And if they were conspiring with previous politicians or previous presidents that are violating the laws or violating illegal withholdings or their activities of satellite terrorism, that's international treason. Those people could be judged by the United Nations. Reference to international world law, such as illegal activities of political communism in America. Those dirty politicians don't have no legal right. They won't ever have no legal right. But they think they're funny. It even tells you if a politician tries to put any pressure on me or tries to hurt me, that politician is supposed to be prosecuted. It tells you that on those documents. I own more land than presidents. My parents bought land. My grandparents bought land. These politicians ain't never been richer than me. They ain't never employed more people than me. And when the government prints money for administrations, those administrations are not paying out of their pocket. No, they're not. Those politicians are paying from treasury money, which is not money out of their pockets. Not never. So in reference to political parties trying to bully this country, it is treason. Those political parties do not have a legal right contesting estates, playing tricks with money or people's lives or people's freedoms. Not never. And he sure the fuck ain't got no right fucking with my goddamn teeth. I am telling you, man. That royal protocol is not a joke. That's why I was born with impeachment status. Any politician denying it? And if you threaten my life or try to injure me, you get impeached no matter what. Or if you tried to steal my wealth. Or if you blocked me from my money. Or if you damaged my goddamn teeth. You can face a death penalty. I am telling you the facts, man. I am not fucking around with that shit. You can face a death penalty for damaging my goddamn teeth. I don't give a fuck who you think you are, even if you thought you were Jesus. Because among my race and religion, teeth are very precious and very important. And they're not something to be joking around or fucking around with. And I got my rights as an individual of my race and religion. And your satellite man is violating royal airspace and restricted airspace with your